Hi, this is Brian Wallace from Coin Laundry Association, ready to speak to you about some of the highlights coming up for Excellence in Laundry, our signature conference coming up May 20th to the 22nd in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida at the PGA National Resort. This message is really for the newbies, for the new investors, for those who are aspiring to buy or build your first laundromat. We know there's a lot of you out there. And really, for the first time ever, we've decided to run a concurrent set of programs specifically for you. And one of the benefits of that is that we've got all of our multi-store owners, our veteran operators on site, and they've been willing to volunteer their time and talent to create this 5-session program, especially for you. So let me walk through this with you real quickly here, just from a topic basis. And again, I think this is going to be the best time and money you can spend to get started heading in the right direction for your business. So the first session we have are keys to buying an existing laundromat. We know that there are a lot of questions that come up, everything from where to find them to some of the valuation criteria to understanding laundromat leases. So we've got a great program put together on buying an existing laundromat. We also have a session put together for you on building a new laundromat from the ground up. You know, that's a special set of circumstances, from site selection, demographic analysis, doing the pro formas. We've got Carl Hendricks, a veteran distributor and store owner, who's volunteered to put together a great program for you. So again, you're going to be hearing from the very best of the best throughout when it comes to the new investor education. Next up, we have a special session for you newbies on financing your first laundromat. Looking forward to that. We've got Leo Frazier, who's the VP and GM over at Dexter Financial Services. We've got Jennifer Whitney, who's the VP of Business Development at Eastern Funding, and perhaps a few more joining the party, but to really hear directly from the experts who all they do is look at loan proposals for acquisitions and new equipment financing every single day, and they're going to be spending some time bringing you up to speed. We also have a session on Laundromat Operations 101, and we've been able to pull together a number of our multi-store owners who really understand the day-to-day operations. So we have an hour put aside to walk you through the 101, kind of the day in the life of a laundromat owner. And last but not least, we put together a panel at the end of the program for Ask Me Anything. Any question you want to ask about the laundromat business, I'll be on hand. I see that we have multi-store owners, Dustin Gill and Dan Marazzo, volunteered on the panel. I'm sure we'll add a few more before we get to the conference. So for those of you who are just thinking about getting into the business, this is an opportunity to invest in yourself, make sure that you're rubbing elbows with the best of the best, but also know that there's a special curriculum just for you. So for more information, go to coinlaundry.org, and I look forward to seeing you down in Florida and helping you take those first steps on your laundromat journey.